In the following video, there will be flushing images and flushing words. If you don't want to see that, then go ahead and skip to the next part of the video, which is the end. I will show a timestamp on when to go past it soon, and I will explain what has happened in this episode and the last episode. This is going to be the last episode of this season. The next episode for the next season will be uploaded soon. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and share with a lot of people because I would love this series to blow up. And if you see that drawing there, I drew that. It's ready. If you don't John, then you are uncultured and you will not get this video whatsoever. Or, well, get the character. Anyway, enjoy the video.
Birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches them close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on, and the other says I'm tired. The sky is overcast, and I'm sorry. One more or one less, nobody's worried. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds of a feather say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other.
Okay, so if you didn't understand what happened last episode and this episode, I'm going to explain them both at the same time. The last episode was kind of like a dream-like thing, Lucille's nightmare, what happens in Lucille's nightmare. Basically, I was too lazy to incorporate what happened towards when Lucille woke up, but basically, Springtrap told Lucille that the plan is coming into play soon, as in 2 days. Well, that happened, and after that happened, she went to the pizzeria, went in the back where Freddy is. Lucille is aware that Freddy is alive. she's aware that he's awake because Freddy talked to Lucille separately. Well, if you haven't checked out my book, Broken Troops, on Wattpad, then I'm still gonna attempt to do chapters of what's happening in the series, but it's gonna be more in depth, and basically just go check that out when I have more chapters of what's coming into play. And basically, I'm not going all in depth with it because I can just do the Wattpad story of it. You will understand, but that was that. This episode, it was like backstory between John and Lucille. And basically, they have known each other since middle school, and basically, that's how their relationship sparked. They went to the same college since during the time Lucille and Brian weren't that close. There will be backstory about that too in later episodes, but not yet. And basically, it just went. This episode is about revealing past and other stuff and what has happened. Now, I will leave my Wattpad in the description of this video. Check it out. If you already know my Wattpad, then you don't need. Then check it out anyway because more reads. Am I right? Anyways, that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys next time, and the next episode or the next season will be out and occurring of a few months. Well, not months, a few weeks. I still have to plan out what I'm gonna do and what's my plan. For now, stay tuned.